So I just took a shower and I came back downstairs with the intention of placing my monitor tonight, but I am very overwhelmed. I took the box apart. I took the package apart, box 1, box 3, box 1, box 2, box 3, and the placement placard thingy, and I even brought alcohol down here to remove the excess oil. I mean, you don't have to use the alcohol because there's a scrub pad. You just scrub the air for like a minute. So I'm supposed to put this thing around my neck, stand in front of the mirror, and that gives me the placement of where this is supposed to be at the base of my neck. So my monitor is supposed to go here, right? The monitor is supposed to go here. But when I tell you I am completely overwhelmed, I am completely overwhelmed. So I've decided I'm not going to place the monitor tonight. I am going to sleep. I will place the monitor tomorrow. Hopefully my anxiety will be a little bit decreased and my frame of mind will be a little bit better, because right now it's not. So I will place it tomorrow in the morning after I get up. Hopefully a good night's sleep will help stem some of this anxiety, and like I know what to do and I'm reading the instructions, but it's just not connecting. So what I'm going to do tonight, I'm going to charge up the monitor, make sure the monitor is charged, make sure the phone is fully charged, and then we'll do the placement tomorrow and I'll take you along for that. So have a blessed night and I'll see you a little more.